Okay, I want to show you guys some new tools we have added to make it possible to sort your certificates by region and area, and also to send an email to a certain subset of those boats. The new tool can be found on the add-ons tab. We put it there because it's another column, and the column's kind of full on the main tab. So we're looking here at the add-ons tab, and you're going to see a new column called region and area. In this region and area column, we have filters for all the different areas we've set up, and sub areas, areas within a particular region. So I can filter on those using this region button over here. That's what I just did. I cleared the filters, and you'll see that the different regions show for people who've actually entered them. These regions can be edited by the skipper when they create their boat, but now you also have the ability as an admin, cert admin, to correct them as needed. For example, here's Mass Bay. This person does not have a region. This boat I know is a South Shore boat, so I can submit it. Now it shows up with the designation MBSA-S. You can go through all your boats. I know Mike wanted a feature to where he could send, Mark wanted a feature where he could send emails to different areas in Southern California. So he needs to go through all of his boats and get them in the proper areas from this list. So once that's done, then you can go on to the next part, which is once you have a region selected, let's say I'm going to send them to all of Mass Bay. So check one, I'm going to send all of Mass Bay, those here. This gives me a list of all the Mass Bay boats. And what I can do now is I use the feature that's already existed here I mark them all as checked all. They come up that way. So these are the boats that we're going to send an email to. And this button right here, email to cert holders, select below, will allow me to send an email to all of those boats. Now this is a little tricky here, but if you want to see what you want to send the email to all the co-owners as well, you check this button. And before I do anything, if I do a preview, this does a preview. It's going to send it to me as a blank email. But what most importantly has is it now has a list of exactly who the boats will go to, the email will go to. And at the bottom of that, you'll see an export button. So if you wanted to put this into a spreadsheet and send them out yourself, you could do that. You can see, this says co-owners. Mashni has a lot of co-owners, so they'll all get an email because I set in the view send copy to both co-owners. So this allows you to see who it's going to go to before you send it. And if you need to make some adjustments to this list or fix their regions, you can close this out and go back to the certificate tab. So that's the new feature. Let me know your feedback on it. And if you need help actually doing it, just drop me an email.